Hey there, let's dive into the world of professional grooming with the Karrte Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmer Kit for Men. A complete barber clipper set designed for cordless hair cutting and beard trimming right at home. This all-in-one kit includes a cordless hair clipper, a precision hair trimmer, a barber apron, a USB cord for quick charging, a barber brush, an oil bottle, and 2 professional scissors, along with 8 premium guard combs and 4 trimmer guards, ensuring you have everything you need for a salon-quality haircut. With industry-leading precision, these clippers feature the sharpest blades on the market, allowing you to shape, outline, and define your style effortlessly, whether it's trimming hair, beards, or sideburns. The powerful motor ensures a faster and more efficient cutting experience, while the T-shaped blade can achieve zero-distance trimming for those intricate details. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, this clipper offers up to 2 to 4 hours of runtime after just 3 hours of charging, and the LED digital display keeps you informed about the remaining power, so you're always ready to go. Perfect for use anywhere, you're no longer tethered to an outlet, making it ideal for those moments when you need to keep your little one entertained during a haircut. Elevate your grooming game with the Karrte Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmer Kit, and enjoy the convenience and precision of a professional haircut in the comfort of your own home. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.